I believe that Fairy Meadow is one of the best suburbs in the Illawarra. You might ask me why. Well, all the major supermarkets are here. We've got Aldi, we've got Woolworths, we've got Coles. There are fantastic boutiques, wonderful cafes, and you have the schools around you as well. Also, my office is just around the corner. What more can I say? So, what can I tell you about this great apartment? You will enjoy the top floor positioning, the open outlook with the easterly aspect, and the balcony of the living area. What I particularly like is the generous kitchen, and you have a decent internal laundry. Also, you will relish having your own personal shed, which is right near the clothesline area. This owner has enjoyed the convenience of the location, and the apartment is ready for you to add your own personal touches to. However, is very livable or rentable as is. So if you are looking for your first home or your first investment in a quiet location and a short walk to everything, this is the one for you. Thank you for watching. I'm Joanne Danckwardt from One Agency, JD Property Agents, and I hope to see you at one of my opens at Apartment 3, 10 Hurley Avenue, Fairy Meadow. Bye for now.